Hello Witchcraft families, it's Miss Fitzgerald and today I'm here to show you how to make oobleck. You can find the recipe, which I've printed out, on your teacher's Google Classroom. There's also going to be an accompanying worksheet that you can complete with your child after you've done the activity. To make oobleck, you're going to need water, cornstarch, food coloring, measuring cups, and a bowl, and if your child doesn't want to use their hands because of sensory aversions, you can use a spatula or a spoon. The first thing that you're going to do is put 1 cup of cornstarch into a bowl. So to have your child identify 1 cup, you can show them different measuring cups and say, is this 1 cup? This is 1 cup. So this gets messy, so you're going to want to either do this activity outdoors or lay down some newspaper or other barrier to keep your space from getting a little messy. And right now I'm making a giant mess. Alright, I have 1 cup of cornstarch and I'm going to put it into my bowl. Woo! The next step is to get 1/2 cup of water. So I'm going to fill my half measuring cup to the rim with some water. And we're going to add 2 drops of food coloring to that water. So you can provide your child with a choice of what color. And this is a good opportunity to work on color identification. I'm going to pick blue. I'm going to take it and put 2 drops into my water. Then I'm going to give it a little mini stir just to distribute that. I don't like touching oobleck, so I'm going to use a spatula. So I've got 2 drops of water, 2 drops of food coloring in my water, and I'm going to pour it in with my cornstarch in the bowl. So it looks like this right now. It looks really messy, and I'm going to stir it all up. And you have to really stir it good. This is why it's good to try and let your child work at it with your hands. The spatula is not working so well. So it's looking like this. We're getting there. Okay, now we're getting there. I'm just mixing away. Alright. Now your oobleck should be somewhere between a solid and a liquid. So when you look in the bowl, it looks solid. It doesn't really move, but it does move a little bit. So this is how we're going to focus on solids and liquids. So you pick it up and it spreads out like a liquid, but then you can roll it into a ball and it looks like a ball and it melts, which is pretty cool. Another way that you can focus on if this is a solid or a liquid, you can roll it around the bowl. It looks like a liquid, but then when you hit it in the bowl, it's solid. So after you've made your oobleck and gotten to play around with it a little bit, keep it nearby while you complete the attached worksheet about oobleck. So the first question asks, what were the ingredients to make oobleck? If your child's able, they could write out the names of the ingredients, or you can go back to your recipe and cut out these pictures and have them paste them in the space provided. The next question, what color oobleck did we make? If they're able, they could write or trace the color, name, or you can provide them with a few different crayons or markers and say, what color oobleck did we make? And provide them some choice. We made blue, so they could say blue oobleck. And you could just have them color in that space right there. And the next question says, Was the oobleck a solid? So when we hit it really hard or move it really fast, it's solid. When you let it sit and move around, it's liquid, so your child should choose both. So they can just circle both. And then, did you like Oobleck? Miss Fitzgerald gets a little grossed out. Miss Fitzgerald does not like Oobleck. Yuck. And that is how you can create Oobleck at home to experiment with different states of matter. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have fun.